Hi everyone! Today we're going to create an adorable baby onesie. We'll make our own AI-generated image using Flow and add it to a canvas in Studio. First, let's go to Creative Fabrica's AI generator, Flow, to create our image for the onesie. It's really easy. Fill in a prompt. Since it's for a baby, I suggest a cute little monster. I'll use the prompt, adorable furry baby monster. Choose Portrait for size, Transparent for type, and Kawaii for style. Once you've adjusted all the settings to your liking, press Generate to create your image. Choose the image you like. I'll go with this one. Press Download Picture. Next, we'll vectorize the image to ensure a sharp, high-quality print. Go to Creative Fabrica's vectorizer at the top of the page. Drag your downloaded image in and wait. Your image will be automatically vectorized. On the left, you'll see your uploaded image, and on the right, the vectorized result. Now press Add to Studio. The vectorized image will automatically be added to your upload folder in Studio. With our vectorized image, it's time to put it all together. Go to Studio and create a new design. Go to Upload and click on the Vectorizer folder. There it is, your image. Place it on the canvas, add some text, and adjust the colors to match. Once you're happy with your design, download it, and it's ready for printing. And that's it. You've just created a charming onesie for your little one. Happy designing!